Hello everyone, my name is Gavin, and this will be a video on how to get a list of the object's actuators that are connected to the object. And I'm just going to get started. So let's go from defaults to game logic, go from Blender render to Blender game. With your cube selected, add one always sensor, add a Python controller and connect it to your always sensor. And next, just add a couple of random edit object actuators like a message actuator or something, and connect them to your Python sensor like this, or controller like this. Do templates, Python, and then game logic simple. Drag this out and delete the portion I've highlighted right here, and rename this as something like scripts.py. If I can name this like that. Alright, script.py. Add this right here and minimize this. And hit Control and scroll up on your mouse to make your text larger. And what you're going to do right here is print own dots actuators, like that. So if we're to do window and then toggle system console to open up our system, we should see if I hit P, it's going to put edit object and message, just because those are the two actuators connected to our controller. Alright guys, hope you found this useful.